Earth to Hannah. Time for bed.
Okay, Mom, just a little bit longer. I'm finishing up my solar system project for the science fair tomorrow.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Up there, out there, I wanna go out there, where life is like a giant science fair. Wishing I was on a mission, like Stardust or Kepler or Dawn, cruising the planets and beyond, seeing where it all comes from. The only place for me, a place I can be free. S-P-A-C-E, it's where I got to be. The only place for me, a place I can be free. S-P-A-C-E, it's where I got to be. The project's due tomorrow, and I have to go to bed.
Okay, Hannah, time's up.
But I gotta finish it tonight, or else I'll get an F.
I'm serious, Hannah.
Okay, I'm almost done. If I was smart as Einstein, I'd have an easier time, like Newton or Galileo. Those guys are my heroes. All the kids at school don't think I'm very cool. They call me Space Cadet, wish I could fly away in a rocket. The only place for me, a place I can be free. S-P-A-C-E, it's where I got to be. The only place for me, a place I can be free. S-P-A-C-E, it's where I got to be. Where I got to be. Where I got to be. S-P-A-C-E, where I got to be.
Yo, what up?
Planetary Posse in the his house.
We got a place to be in the galaxy. The Planetary Posse for everybody to see. We got a place to be in the galaxy. If you don't hang with me, you're just a wannabe. We got a place to be in the galaxy. The Planetary Posse for everybody to see. We got a place to be in the galaxy. If you don't hang with me, you're just a wannabe.
I am the sun, burning bright for everyone. 4 million tons of hydrogen turned helium. It's no delusion, it's just nuclear fusion. It's been proven that I'm always moving. I got the pull, keeping y'all in line. Got you spinning on your axis throughout space and time. Put your hands up in the air to see the solar flare. Come on, feel the commotion of this giant explosion.
He's hot.
How hot?
10,000 degrees.
He's big.
How big?
Almost 1 million miles.
He's old.
How old?
4.5 billion years. And if you don't believe me, just ask my peers. We got Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Then my crew along with all the other moons and stars. There's Jupiter, Saturn, and of course Uranus. He's a really nice planet, though his name is heinous. Don't forget Neptune, Pluto, and his dwarfy friends. The universe is cool because it never ends. Each one of these peeps have got something to say. The most talented troop
In the Milky Way.
Yo, I'm Mercury. You can call me Merc, first planet in line, but that don't make me a jerk. Yeah, I'm number one. I go around the sun in just 88 days. I get cold and then I freeze. I'm not tilted or wilted cause I got no air. Covered with craters, so please don't stare. I'm rocky and stocky, built like a jockey. Smallest of a bunch, made with metals packed with punch, yo.
B to the E to the N-U-S. I'm the hottest and the brightest, don't be envious. I got a nickname, it's Morning Star. And I'm covered in clouds that are thick as tar. There are volcanoes all over my surface. Forgive me if I'm volatile, it's not on purpose. I'm the second closest planet to the sun. If you like sulfuric acid, we could have some fun. Third is the word, my name is Planet Earth. I'm oozing with life, every day I give birth to plants and people and animals and bugs. I'm like a big round mama and I love to give hugs. To the North Pole,
I got 24 hours in my day, and I'm a lot like Earth, some scientists say. But I own 2 moons and lots of dudes. Come on, hit the floor for planet number 4.
I'm Jupiter, and I'm really huge. The largest planet, in fact, with 62 moons. Got a great red spot on my face, and I'm the fastest spinner if you wanna race. I've got colored bands, a giant made of gas. There's clouds and storms all over my map. Takes me 12 years to orbit round the sun. If you drive with number 5, then I'm your favorite one.
Hey everybody, I'm 6 and I'm Saturn. I got swirly wings in a stripy pattern. I'm pretty famous for my pretty rings, but what I really love to do is dance and sing. With my 62 moons, I'm never alone. Hydrogen and helium call me their home. My magnetosphere makes a gorgeous aurora. Loop the sun in 29 years, hope that doesn't bore ya.
I'm lucky number 7, Uranus is my name. Living way up in the heavens, got some ice in my day. I like to spin on my side and in reverse, kick it with the backslide. I'm electric and greenish blue, got lots of seasons and 27 moons. In 84 years, I'll orbit our sun, doing windmills the whole way, popping like it's finished fun.
Yo, I'm Neptune, and I'm really far out. I've got a great dark spot, but there's nothing to laugh about. I'm freezing cold, got methane ice. I'm as blue as an ocean in paradise. My 13 moons, and I like to travel. Plus I got a few rings made of rocks and gravel. All of my days are not very long, just 17 hours, almost as long as this song. I'm the 8th and last planet out of my homies. 165 years from the sun, it can get kinda lonely.
I'm Pluto, and I've been demoted. I demand a recount for all who voted. Now I'm a dwarf planet hanging in the copper belt, but I still can't jam it, so cool, I'll never melt. I got 3 moons and a few new pals. Here's the other dwarfs in alphabetical. There's Ceres, Aries, Haumea, Maka Maka, maybe 200 more, which is quite a shocker. I'm the king of the munchkins, but that's alright. I'm still a stellar fella, and I'll always shine bright.
We have a place to be in the galaxy, the Planetary Posse for everybody to see. We have a place to be in the galaxy. If you don't hang with me, you're just a wannabe. We have a place to be in the galaxy, the Planetary Posse for everybody to see. We have a place to be in the galaxy. If you don't hang with me, you're just a wannabe.
Oh yeah.
Hey! You.
Word to your mother Earth.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
It's a marvelous night for a moon dance, so let's moonwalk the night away. Inviting all of the lunatics to come out and play. We're the moons and we like to orbit, staying loyal to our planet. We go round and round and round, it's so much love we can hardly stand it. Some like to call us satellites, there's hundreds of us in the sky. More moons discovered every day, lighting up the darkest nights. We've all got one thing in common, that we're totally unique. Some are huge and some are tiny, some are spheres and some are freaks. Some of us are icy, some are dust and rock and stone. Some of us have really cool names and some of us are unknown.
The most famous moon of all is anything but small. She's the second brightest body in the sky. She's Earth's best friend and trusted ally.
She goes simply by the name Moon, depending on what language she speaks. Man has walked upon her, she's a chic antique.
I've got no atmosphere to speak of, no sound or wind or air. The footprints that Armstrong left on me are actually still there. I've got 1/6 of Earth's gravity and I'm a quarter of her size. I might be a bit less powerful, but I control her ocean's tides. I am egg-shaped and have moonquakes, I attract like solar wind. Got craters, mountains, and ice. Yeah, I'm pretty thick-skinned. People only see one side of me, it's my smiling, happy face. But what most of them don't know is that I'm moving further away in space. In space.
comet?
A comet? You've got to be kidding me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Didn't mean to upset you.
Kid, you don't know the half of it. Sometimes I don't feel right, like I'm a meteor wrong, wandering alone at night, so I sing this sad, sad song, 'cause I'm misunderstood. Lots of people think I'm a comet, and that don't feel so good. It makes me feel totally unwanted. Let's set the record straight. I've got a few types of names, none of them hip as hell, Bob, but it's my only claim to fame. When I'm up in space, I'm called a meteoroid. I'm just a pea-sized piece of rock. I'm homeless and unemployed. When I'm in Earth's atmosphere, I'm called a meteor. Just a quick flash of light. I'm sorry if you wanted more, but I'm just doing the best. I'm doing the best that I can. So if you're looking for something long-lasting, then I guess I'm not your woman. They call me a shooting star, but I'm not even a star. I'm a tiny piece of debris that's going fast and really far. Sometimes I can reach speeds like 100,000 miles an hour. But if I'm from a comet, you can see me in a meteor shower. Sometimes I hit the ground, that's when I'm a meteorite. I cause a big explosion, I don't mean to be impolite. I'm just a complex girl who makes mistakes. But if I land on your house, I didn't mean for everything to break. So if you wish upon me, well, I hope it comes true. But if it don't, there's nothing I can do. 'Cause sometimes I'm just a meteor wrong, and that is just the truth. Till then, I've got those pitiful meteor wrong blues.
Ladies and gentlemen, direct from the Oort Cloud, it's the funny man himself. Here's Haley.
Hello, everybody. How are you doing tonight? It's good to see you here. Wacko, wacko, wacko. All right, we're gonna have some fun. My name is Haley. I'm a comet, a stand-up comet. So guys, you're looking good out there. I see a couple of shining stars in the audience, and a couple of stars with shiners. Zing! Geez, can I get a laugh? You think it's easy up here. Cut me some slack. I'm the only guy in space who reads books every 75 years. Who's my agent? Father Time? So guys, this neighborhood has really gone downhill lately, huh? The Kuiper Belt ain't what it used to be. I got this crazy rock band, always practice next door. You might have heard of them. The Neptunes? My wife is always complaining about my wardrobe, telling me to pull up my pants because she can see the moon. So what'd she get me for my 4 billionth birthday? Another asteroid belt. Another one! Come on! Can I get some socks? It's cold out here. So did you hear about Saturn? Nice girl, but not so clean. Her mother told me every time she got out of the bathtub, she left her ring. Zing! Oh, and speaking of mothers, my is so old she's made of dust. So anyone have any nicknames in the audience? Somewhere along the way people started calling me Dirty Snowball. What's that supposed to mean? First of all, I'm made of ice, thank you very much. And I'm no dirtier than all those gassy planets like Uranus. Don't even get me started on how pistons need money. I got a couple of kids. They're a piece of work. Junior calls himself Hale-Bopp. He's a bright one, though he'll go far. The other one's a real hooligan. One night he's on a joyride around the solar system, and boom, crashes right into Jupiter. He says he doesn't see it, but how can you not see the biggest planet in the solar system? So we asked him, were you wearing your glasses? He says, yeah, Pops, but they kept freezing up. Alright, they're telling me to wrap it up. I gotta get on the road. The driver's crazy all over the road. A real astronaut. Get it? Anyways, you've all been great. I heard the food's here delicious, even though this place lacks atmosphere. And from the sounds of it, an inability to recognize true talent. Me. Tip your waitresses, keep shooting for the stars, and watch out for those crazy asteroids.
Buongiorno.
Hello. Yeah?
You called?
Are you who I think you are?
I think we are who you think we are. I'm Galileo.
I'm Isaac Newton.
And I'm Albert Einstein.
What are you doing here?
We've come to take you out of your quagmire.
We're the scientists. We understand you. We're the experts. Don't be afraid to fail. We're the scientists. We want to help you. Believe you can do it. Take a breath and exhale.
Life's a big experiment. We don't know how and why, but your dreams will never come true if you won't even try.
They say the greatest risk is to risk nothing at all. So get back on that horse every time you fall.
That's easy for you to say. You're like the most famous geniuses ever. What would you guys know about failing?
Oh, come on, Bella. Nobody's perfect. Take it away, Isaac.
I made my big discovery when an apple fell on my head. It could have been a bad day, but I made a positive of it instead. Because my mind was open, I discovered a powerful law. Gravity rules our planet, and the whole world was in awe.
Oh, you had it easy. I designed the first telescope to investigate the sky, but what I ended up discovering actually made me cry. Nobody believed my ideas, even though I was correct. When I tried to convince the public, I was put under arrest.
Oh, you think that's bad? My relatives didn't get relativity. They made fun of my hair. They made me regret ever sharing that E equals MC squared. But I persisted with my theory and found people who understood. Now I'm a legend like the little engine who could.
Do you think you can?
I think I can.
Do you think you can?
I think I can.
Do you know you can?
I know I can.
Get it?
Got it?
Good.
We're the scientists. We understand you. We're the experts. Don't be afraid to fail. We're the scientists. We want to help you. Believe you can do it. Take a breath and exhale. Scientists are curious people. We never stop asking questions. The answers lead to more queries.
And sometimes indigestion.
To know is to ask. To ask is to know. If you're not facing your fears, then how will you ever grow?
For instance, Copernicus shook things up when he said planets circled the sun.
Fibonacci and his sequence took quite a while to find the sum.
Kepler's elliptical orbit idea was the first taken as a fiction.
And Darwin's very theory created controversial friction.
People told Benjamin Franklin to go fly a kite.
And because of Edison's tenacity, we're now gonna see it tonight.
Mrs. Herschel had ups and downs before she won a prestigious honor.
Huygens skipped dinner observing Saturn's rings and yonder.
Pasteur and his petri dishes made everybody a squirm.
While Halley sat patiently waiting for his comet to return.
Marie Curie was radioactive before she won 2 Nobel Prizes.
And Hubble showed that the universe will always be different sizes.
Goddard was made fun of when he believed man could go to the moon.
But Stephen Hawking and his black holes really cleared the room.
Kuiper gave us new techniques for looking at the sky, but his ideas weren't even proven until 20 years after he died.
We tell you all these facts, not to bring you down, but to remind you that we're all human, and we weren't always renowned.
It took years of hard work and the belief in our dreams, but no matter how tough it gets, it's never as bad as it seems. We're the scientists. We understand you. We're the experts. Don't be afraid to fail. We're the scientists. We hope we helped you. Believe you can do it.
I believe I can do it.
We believe you can do it.
Take a breath and exhale.
Bye.
Ciao.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Bye.
Hey, Newton, you're the brother named Fig?
I know I can do it. I'm gonna finish this project and it's gonna turn out awesome. I'll just ask for a little help from my friends. Together, we'll make a big bang.
Space! Solar system!
It's where it got to be.